So we're having a family day at the farm today. Do you think flip-flops are suitable attire?
Maybe.
And as usual, the blokes are ready. We're waiting on the girls. Dear idea. Right, kids, we're ready to go. Who are we waiting for?
Mummy.
Why are we waiting for Mummy?
Because she's getting the baby wipes.
Baby wipes. Okie dokie. Madam Baby Wipe has arrived. Kids, we ready to go?
Yeah!
It's like the Griswolds, isn't it?
Hello.
Can anyone say applesauce? His head. Say hello. Say hello to the baby cows. Such a rock and roll lifestyle I lead. You enjoying that? Hey, is that nice? Who doesn't like feeding a cow, eh? Look good. Seems to like it. I'm having problems. I'm having 3 of them trying to drink the one bit. Oh, he's having some now. You can't eat the bottle. Oh, it's all kicking off. Don't be such an ass. So, which one of these wants to be the ugly duckling? No one mentioned pancake rolls. I think I mentioned it once, but I got away with it. It's goat feeding time. How you going, Dexter? How you going, Evelyn?
Oh no!
Do you come here often? Oh, I've got nightmare hanging out. Oh.
She's still got some nerves to go. Oh, you full.
Got the hiccups. The wife is on the trampoline with the kids. We're going to be up A&E very soon, I think. What's your one called, Evelyn?
I'm calling mine Petunia. Petunia.
This reminds me of that Dumb and Dumber. Pretty bird, pretty bird, pretty bird. With a goat. Kiss, kiss. I do apologise for all the animal snaps today, but I think I'm enjoying it more than the kids. You make a wonderful butler, Dexter.
What does that mean?
John Wayne's off.
Look at that.
Bye! Now the choice was go on a tractor ride or have an ice cream. What do you think I chose? As you can see, we are in the Rio Olympics, and here's the table tennis arena. We've had budget cutbacks and they've had to use a plank of wood for a net. Is anyone else like this in a gift shop? Don't touch that, don't touch it, leave it alone, don't touch it, don't touch it. I'm like that too, but my kids don't listen to me. But touching everything, they don't care. Fridge magnets purchased. Let's go home, please. Back home with the sun, a Coke and a smile. My day is done.